Good evening, good evening. Let me tell you real quick what I did, because I don't want to keep dragging all this stuff out here. Plenty of work to do besides just keep dragging into this. But since I can't get an accurate measurement using the teaspoon that they give me with this package, I got 700 parts per million at 5.8 or 5.6 pH. So I took my scoop. This is a one teaspoon. All right. I took it and 5 times scraped it off nice and level, boom, measured it, weighed it, measured it, weighed it. 5 times, took an average. This is what I get. 325 grams is what I'm getting of this. All right. By weight. And that way I can be, pretty accurate with this, pretty accurate. All right. Now it gives me a base number. That's half of it, and that's 25% of it. That's a quarter of it. That's half. That's a full teaspoon, half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon. And then I mixed up a gallon in each of my rainwater at 11 parts per million at 6.8. And these are the numbers that I got. With a full teaspoon, I got 545 parts per million at 5.8. At a half teaspoon, there's the weight. That way it's an accurate amount. Instead of trying to measure it, I'm using it by weight. All right. 268 parts per million at 6.1. You see it's coming up a little bit on the less fertilizer, the higher the pH, because the fertilizer is what's causing the pH to go down. And at a quarter, I'm getting, what is that, 141 at 6.2. All right. Now this is with rainwater at 11, so you can take 11 away from that, and that'll be your true numbers. pH, that's what you got. Now, my tap water runs 160 parts per million, so if I'm going to add my tap water to that, I got more crap in my tap water than there is in a quarter teaspoon of that. You see what I mean? If I add 160 parts per million to this, you see where I'm going to be? 420 something. So you start climbing up there, but this is what you have to look at. And this is just a quick, this didn't take me about 15 minutes to do this with a meter and my pen, but this is just a quick look using this type of fertilizer. There's nothing wrong with this mix. It's a really good mix. Nothing wrong with it at all, but just to show you what kind of numbers you're going to get. And I trust, using this, I trust a lot more than using that little, what's that little scoop that they gave me? My numbers are way off, and I couldn't get accuracy with that at all. So this way, I scraped it all 5 times, nice and level, measured 5 of them in a row, took an average of them, and that's what I come up with, 325 grams. So it's real easy just to do the math. And then I actually used those weights to mix with a gallon of water, and this is what I came up with. Just to give you an idea what this fertilizer will do at those strengths. Now, add your parts per million from your water, from your own tap water, and that's what you get. All right. Anyway, just let you know this is what it is on this particular fertilizer. Have a great evening. Use this to your advantage.